Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data loss prevention with Forcepoint step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your organization's unique data protection needs. Identify the sensitive data types that require protection. Assess existing data loss prevention measures currently in place. Evaluate the specific risks and vulnerabilities associated with your data. Select the appropriate Forcepoint data loss prevention solution for your organization. Install the Forcepoint software following the vendor's detailed installation guide. Configure the system's settings to align with your data protection policies. Create rules for monitoring and controlling data movement across your network. Establish classifications for data, categorizing it by sensitivity and importance. Integrate Forcepoint with your existing security infrastructure seamlessly. Train employees on the importance of data loss prevention and how to use the tools effectively. Conduct regular audits and assessments to ensure compliance with data protection policies. Utilize Forcepoint's reporting tools to monitor data activities and identify potential breaches. Adjust your data protection strategies based on the insights gathered from reports. Stay updated with the latest developments in data loss prevention technologies. Continuously improve your DLP practices to adapt to evolving threats and compliance requirements. Regularly communicate with stakeholders about data protection efforts and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.